Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we're going to be making banana bread, and all the ingredients are Dr. Sebi approved except for vanilla extract, but you could take that out if you want. And my mom took a recipe from a YouTuber whose name is I'm gonna link her channel in the description box, as well as that specific video that she made the banana bread in. And my mom like modified it to make it like more Dr. Sebi friendly. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, this is the recipe. I'm gonna make sure I type it up and I put it in the description box so you can use it for yourself. You're going to need some walnuts, some sea salt, some garbanzo bean flour or chickpea flour, vanilla extract. Like I said, you don't have to use this. Agave, Perrier water, spelt flour, grapeseed oil, and this is hempseed milk. And then I juiced a key lime in it, and I let it sit for 20 minutes so it can be, I guess, like to make it curdle up a little so it'll be like buttermilk. So we're gonna put our dry ingredients in one bowl and our wet ingredients in one bowl, and then we're gonna combine it all together. So first thing is preheat your oven to 350. Y'all ain't see it, but y'all heard it. So in one bowl, we're gonna put our dry ingredients, I guess. We're gonna take a cup and a half of spelt flour. However, I know for a fact that this is not a cup and a half. I'm thinking it's only a cup. So we're gonna take that half and we're gonna add it to the chickpea flour, because you need a cup of chickpea flour. So we're gonna do a cup of spelt flour and a cup and a half of chickpea flour. I asked my mom, she said it doesn't taste that much. Like, even though you increase the amount of chickpea flour, it doesn't taste like chickpeas, because I don't really like to cook with chickpeas, but she said it's good. Alright, so I have a fourth of chickpea, a fourth a cup. This is a cup of spelt flour. Let's see if we could get up. This might be a half a cup. Hold on. It said 2/3. What a half a cup is?
Oh, I used it.
Oh! Let's see if we could get a half a cup. Girl, shut up. This might be half a cup.
Shut up, play you stole.
Yes, I did play with you.
And I never know.
You know what? I think this is going to be a half a cup. I'm just pour it all in there. Okay. Let's go make a mess. Alright, that's a cup and a half. It's a cup and a half of spelt flour. Now we're going to get a cup of garbanzo bean flour or chickpea flour. Alright, this is a cup of chickpea flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So we're gonna put our wet ingredients in here. So it says a half a cup of agave. I'm gonna do the oil first. It says a 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Just say a 1/4 cup. So a 1/4 cup. 1. Ooh, I missed. 2. Need half a cup of agave. Damn, that's a lot of agave. Hold on. I just bought this. Hello, Amber Raw, if you watch. No, that's not the company name. What this is? Mahava, if you watch this, sponsor me, alright? I have a cup of agave. I'm gonna scrape that out. Nobody get left behind. See, look, that was a good tablespoon and a half. Teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna take our half a cup of hempseed milk and combine with the 1 juice key lime juice. half a cup of hempseed milk with the 1 key lime juice. And now we have to add a half a cup of Perrier water. And the last thing we need are a cup of walnuts and 10 baby bananas mashed. These are baby bananas, they were frozen. So we're gonna mash these up. I'm really just in a cooking mood. Like, I really feel like I'm about to make 3 other things.
Y'all got 3 more videos coming to y'all soon.
And I ain't changing my shirt, ain't nobody better tell me nothing. Okay, so here's the mashed baby bananas. I think I'm gonna add it to the wet ingredients because that just makes more sense. And make sure I got everything. Really, Kaya? Alright, so I hope y'all can see that. I don't want to tilt it for it fall. Let me bring it. Hello. Y'all can kind of see that. This is my wet mixture. And I'm going to add that to my dry ingredients. I'm going to just combine this together as best as I can. Alright, here is my mixture. I guess I would say it's thick. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Oh, she thick. And so I'm gonna get a loaf pan and I'm gonna put it in my loaf pan. Oh, girl, I forgot the walnuts. We just gonna fold the walnuts in. Alright, so I just greased my little loaf pan with some grapeseed oil. Now I'm gonna transfer it. Oh yeah, she big. Oh. So here is my banana bread. Oh, look, y'all can't see. Here's my banana bread. And my oven is already preheated to 350. So we're just going to put this in the oven. And it says to let it cook between 50 and 55 minutes. Okay. I just took the banana bread out of the oven. Fifi, really? Y'all, look, it looks so cute. I need to check it to see if it's done. So I'm going to just take a toothpick and stick it in the middle and see if it come out clean. Girl. Oh, look, that's a walnut. God, you really gotta cool off. Oh, girl, I think it's done, baby. So I know it says cook it between 50 and 55 minutes. I don't know what it is because I had put it in there and then I forgot to put the timer on, and then when I realized I put like 35 minutes on, so it probably was enough for like 50 minutes, maybe. I don't know. Just, you know, just use your best judgment. I'm sure it probably takes between 50 and 55, but I think it's done. So we're gonna let it cool off and then we're gonna come back when we slice it up. Girl, this look good. Baby, how you doing? A little crispy around the edges, but soft in the middle. Yay! That's how I like my men. Big and buff on the inside and a sweetheart on the inside. You feel me?
Big and buff on the outside?
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said big and buff on the inside.
Yes. Get into this melanin. Damn, I'm making these extra thick. I'm trying to eat some oatmeal in the morning. That's how thick these is.
Better take my advice. I guarantee your father probably had read it back twice. Don't go rolling that dice. Bake a pot at last, give your loved ones a slicer. Now that's words to the wise. There's an angel inside, your flesh a disguise. Know you drink and get higher, but that's just an excuse that you used to survive. But don't let them deprive the intuition deep inside of your mind. Keep your head up, don't cry. Stay strong, move on.
I see like the very middle pieces, like right here, they're a little undone. So I mean, for some of them you could like just put those individual pieces back in the oven so they'll be cooked through all the way, or you could just decide to cook your bread longer and just, you know, put foil over the top of it so it doesn't burn. You know, it doesn't look burned, but it's still cooking on the inside. You know, if you want to cook yours longer than 50 to 55 minutes. But I think it just happens like that because the batter is so thick. And I mean, you know, like the pan is only so big. There's only much like air and circulation gonna get through. But I'm gonna just pop these back in the oven and let them cook up some more because I don't want no raw batter bread. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try for yourself. Like I said, I'm gonna type up the exact recipe and put it down in the description box for you to follow along. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.